Hi everyone, how are you all? Due to coronavirus, we are suffering lot, but good time will come, of course. We have to come back in our studies. So today, I will tell you in brief the summary of this morning is our history test. Then I will discuss some question answer. So this poem is written by Ken Nesbitt. Ken Nesbitt is actually a very famous children's poet. He's an American poet. So his writings based on children's. So let's begin. The story is about a little boy who has his history test this morning. He has pinned his notes inside his vest. Vest means undergarment worn on the upper part of the body. Inside his coat, he wrote all his notes. He wrote some important dates, some famous quotes. He has written all this upon his hand so that, except him, nobody can understand. In his socks, in his sleeves, he kept these notes neatly in secret code. Secret means a system of figures, letters that is used for the purpose, for the secrecy of purpose. He wrote many names of winners of Olympic Games, some important buildings, people, places, all these things he has mentioned in his notes from Tennessee to Timbuktu. Tennessee is actually a state of United Kingdom, and United Kingdom is a country of 50 states, and Timbuktu is a city in Mali, Mali, and Mali is actually a country in West Africa. Mali is a landlocked country that is surrounded by land. He has copied down a piece on ancient Rome and ancient Greece. Everything he has described in his notes, from Shakespeare's plays to who invented mayonnaise. Mayonnaise means a type of food made from egg yolks, well, and vinegar. He came to school. He was not nervous. He was not scared because he has prepared all these things so that he could attend each and every question. He looks inside his coat and vest to see the dates and famous quotes, but he cannot read his notes. He cannot read Shakespeare, Greece, and Rome because he has left his glasses at home. So, this is very pathetic. He has worked hard in making his notes so that he can attend each and every question in examination in his test. But when he wants to see important quotes, dates, Shakespeare, Greece, Rome, he discovers that He has left his glasses at home, and finally he can't attend the question answer. So this is the story. I think you are clear about it. So here you can see the picture. The boy is full of his notes on his waist, on his coat. He has just pinned his notes. So here you can see the picture of this boy. So now I am going to discuss the question answer. So before going to discuss the question answer, here something is about the poet. So we know that the name of the writer, the name of the poet is Ken Nesbitt. Ken Nesbitt writes humorous poems for children. Humorous means that makes us to laugh. He is an American and was born in 1962. Words to know, some words here we have to know. Mayonnaise. What is mayonnaise? Mayonnaise, a thick, creamy dressing for food made from egg yolks, oil and vinegar. Understood? যে একটা খাবার যেটা এগ ইয়ক্স থেকে ডিমের কুসুম থেকে ওয়েল থেকে আর ভিনিগার উই ইউজ টু মেক cooking. In case of cooking we use vinegar. Tennessee, a state in the United States of America, a state in the United States of America, and oof, so I told you that Tennessee is a state of United Kingdom. No, that is United States of America. Tennessee is a state of United States of America, and United States of America is a country of 50 states under North America. North America is a continent, and under this continent there is a country United States, and the country United States consisted of 50 states, and Tennessee is one of these states. Timbuktu, a city in Mali. And what is Mali? Mali is a country in West Africa, and Mali is actually a landlocked country. Landlocked country means it is surrounded by land. So comprehension, answer the following questions. Number 1, which items of clothing did the child write notes on? So the child wrote notes on his waist, coat, in his socks and sleeves. Find two phrases to show that the child has written the notes in such a way that other will not be able to read them. So here you can read this line that I have written more upon my hand. I have written more upon my hand that one only I can understand. So he has written his notes upon his hand so that only he can understand. Number 1. And next, number 2 phrase. In my socks and sleeves, in my socks and sleeves I stowed my scribbled notes in secret code. Means he has written his notes in secret code so that only he can understand, and nobody can understand it except him. So these two phrases are important for the question. So what will be the final answer? The final answer will be that the child has written the notes upon his hand so that only he can understand. In his socks and sleeves, he stowed these scribbled notes in secret code. What emotions does the child usually feel before a test? So here it is, emotions. I was not nervous. I was not scared. So these are emotions made by the child, that he was not nervous and he was not scared before our test. That is the answer. Why can't the child read the notes? You can tell me why. Why can't the child read the notes? Anyone can tell? Yes, of course you can. So here the answer. I will just mark this. I can't read my notes so much for Shakespeare, Greece and Rome. I left my glasses back at home. I cannot read my notes so much for Shakespeare, Greece and Rome. I left my glasses back at home. Understood? So the final answer will be the child can't read the notes because he has left his glasses at home. So that's all. Uh, some students are writing question answer, some students are not. You have to write these four question answer which I recently discussed, and you will show it to me. Okay, that is your homework. I will check, and if any correction is needed, I will tell you through WhatsApp. So take care everybody. Uh, Drink enough water every day, and don't go outside. Bye.